Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So I have a new product to show to you today that all the bearded fellows or wannabe bearded fellows will be interested in hearing about. The product is made by Laboratories and it's called Spectral.BRD, and it is a beard stimulating serum. So it's made by Laboratories. Laboratories is world renowned for their hair stimulating products for use on the scalp, and they have now come up with one for the face, which requires a different kind of formulation to something on the scalp. So first of all, with any type of hair stimulating product, it really does require some patience. Hair is not always in the growth phase, so hair has different phases that it goes through. The growth phase, which is where your hair actually grows, is called the anagen phase. So you really need to give this kind of product a few months to really sort of assess the results. So it does require some patience. So just as a disclaimer, you're not going to sprout a full beard after a day or even a week or a month necessarily. So lots of good ingredients. It's got so much stuff in it, it's crazy. You can read about everything on the website. It's got some of the things that you would expect, like caffeine, biotin, copper peptides, but the three key ingredients, which are sort of quite innovative, are first of all nanoxidil, which is a proprietary molecule that DS Labs has made. It's very high efficacy, low molecular weight, no known side effects, and is great to help to stimulate hair growth, thicken the hair. So that's ingredient number one. Ingredient number 2 and 3 are adenosine and peroxytolamine, kind of a mouthful. Both these ingredients are intended to increase the anagen or the growth phase that your hair is in. So it's going to result in a thicker beard, increase the number of hairs in that growth phase so that you just have a fuller, healthier looking beard. So this product will be suitable to use by someone who just wants a thicker, fuller beard and has a nice one or a pretty good one. Someone who is experiencing patchiness in their beard, so it's going to help to fill out the beard, just make it look more even and full. Or it could just be used by someone looking to accelerate the growth or the rate at which their beard or mustache is growing. So it comes in a little dropper like this. If used as directed, one bottle will last a month. It's very lightweight, doesn't really have much of a consistency to it. So you just basically take 6 to 8 drops, massage it into the area that you want it to work on. And that's pretty much it, and then you sit back and wait for the results. So yeah, if this is something that you're interested in trying, if you want to grow a better beard, check it out. We're excited to see the results. It's available on shopmask.com, and of course you can pick it up in the store in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.